In research writing, clarity is very important. Students often confuse the terms aim and objective, but each has a different role. These two elements shape the whole study from start to end. They guide the reader and also help the researcher stay focused. When aims and objectives are written clearly, the research becomes easy to understand, logical, and well-structured. A weak aim or unclear objectives can make even a good topic look confusing and incomplete. Understanding the aim. The aim of your research is the main purpose or goal of your study. It is broad, general, and focuses on the overall direction you want your research to take. A well-written aim tells the reader what you want to achieve and gives a clear picture of the topic you are studying. The aim answers the question, why am I doing this research? It does not include detailed steps, methods, or tools you will use. Instead, it should focus on the final outcome or the main point of your study. When writing an aim, there are a few things you should include. 1. Topic or subject area. Clearly state the area you are studying. For example, mental health, social media, or environmental issues. 2. Purpose or goal. Explain what you want to achieve, discover, or understand. Words like explore, investigate, or understand can help. 3. Population or scope. Mention the group, location, or context you are focusing on. For example, young adults, college students, or a specific city. 4. Outcome or result. Indicate what your study will reveal or address, but keep it general. Avoid mentioning detailed methods. For example, if your research is about exercise and mental health, a clear aim could be to explore how regular exercise affects mental health in young adults. This aim includes the topic, exercise and mental health, the purpose, to explore, and the population, young adults. It does not explain how data will be collected or analyzed. Understanding the objectives. Objectives are the specific steps you will take to achieve your research aim. They answer the question, how will I achieve my aim? Objectives are detailed, measurable, and practical. They guide the research process from start to finish and ensure your aim can be completed in a clear and organized way. When writing objectives, you should include the following. 1. Action. Start each objective with a clear verb that shows what you will do, such as survey, analyze, compare, measure, or evaluate. 2. Focus. Each objective should focus on one specific task or goal. Avoid combining too many actions in one objective. 3. Measurable outcome. Show how you will know that the task has been completed. For example, analyze survey results or compare study hours. 4. Relevance. Each objective must directly contribute to achieving your aim. 5. Order or sequence. Arrange your objectives logically so that each step builds on the previous one. Using the previous example of exercise and mental health, objectives could be 1. To survey 100 young adults about their exercise habits. 2. To measure participant stress and anxiety levels before and after regular exercise. 3. To analyze the results and identify patterns between exercise and mental health. Objectives should follow the SMART criteria. Specific. Each objective should focus on one clear task. Avoid vague statements. Measurable. You should be able to measure or check whether the objective is achieved. Achievable. Make sure you have the resources, tools, and time needed. Relevant. Every objective should directly contribute to achieving your aim. Time-bound. Objectives should be realistic within the time available for your research. Difference between aims and objectives. Understanding the difference between aims and objectives is very important in research. The aim shows what your research wants to achieve. It is the big picture or overall goal. The objectives show how you will reach that goal. They are smaller, detailed steps that guide your research. Here are the key differences. The aim focuses on the final goal, while objectives focus on the steps to achieve it. Aims are broad, objectives are specific. Aims show long-term outcomes, objectives show short-term, measurable results. Aims can be a single sentence or a short paragraph. Objectives are usually a numbered list. Think of it like a journey. The aim is the destination, and the objectives are the roads you take to reach it. Without a clear aim, your objectives have no direction. Without clear objectives, your aim cannot be achieved. Can you have more than one aim? Some research projects may have one broad, overarching aim and 2 or 3 smaller aims. While it is possible, it is important not to make the aims too many or too complicated. Each aim should be achievable and focused. Most assessors prefer a single clear aim, with objectives breaking it into steps. Action words for objectives. Start each objective with a strong action word. This makes your objectives clear and measurable. Some common words are: analyze, to examine and understand data; compare, to find differences and similarities; measure, to record or calculate results; evaluate, to judge the effect or outcome; investigate, to look deeply into a topic. Every objective must connect to the aim. Ask yourself, does this step help achieve the research goal? If not, remove or change it. Objectives act as a bridge between your aim and your research methods. Without objectives, your research plan can become unclear.